Now, I have a big surprise for you, something that's been in the works for a while. Self-publishing is a tough industry to crack, and unfortunately, many people waste their time and money following the wrong advice. That's why you need to learn from people with proven strategies and results. And one of these is Ben, known as Money on the Side. Ben is a longtime friend of the channel, and he's a seven-figure seller, having sold over $1 million worth of books on Amazon. He's earned more than $240,000 in royalties from self-publishing and has earned the bestseller badge on over 30 of his books. And if you're interested to know more about Ben, you should check out his YouTube channel, which has over 100 videos that will teach you how to build an Amazon KDP business. His content has definitely helped me reach thousands in my KDP business, and it will definitely help you too. I recommend that you check out this video here about maximizing your KDP success with these 5 tips, where Ben talks about how he sold over 150,000 books. Now, why am I saying all of this? As Ben is releasing a fantastic course called the Self-Publishing Success Strategy. And as you guys know on my channel, I barely promote anything, but Ben is a very credible KDP publisher, and he's one of the few that I will support. So I'm going to take you in for a little deep dive of his course and the benefits of it. So it starts off with an introduction, and you have a section about setting expectation, and you also get a private Facebook group for members. Then we have an area about success mindset, and this is going to be the foundation of your business, as without the right mindset you won't be able to overcome the challenges that you will face within this self-publishing business. So don't skip this part, but make sure you watch all the content here. Then it includes a section about getting started. So if you're somebody brand new to Amazon KDP, this area will help you get set up with an account and answer all the questions that you might have. It also includes a section about time management, which is hugely important within this business. If you are a busy person, then it will help you find ways to organize your time. After this, we have several videos about niche research. And I always say that niche research is the foundation of any good selling book. You need to make sure there is demand, and Ben shows you through a few ways that you can target the right niches. Then we have a video about trademarks, which is very important to keep your account safe. So make sure you watch this. You've got several videos on creating book interiors and cover designs. You then have a section on keywords, and Ben even shows you how to use AI for fast keywords. Next is showing you about uploading your book, and then we have Ben's book launch strategy, which is important that you have a strategy when you are launching your book. Don't just expect it to sell on Amazon. Then we have a section on A+ content and the importance of building a brand. After this, there's several videos on outsourcing, and this is something that I really do in my business as it saves me a lot of time. After this, we also have bonus content created by myself about AI. Now, I've been using AI a lot in my own business, and it's really blown up my royalties. I started using it in December 2022, and my royalties have really blown up since then. So I've created some content for Ben that will show you how to use AI content safely and create AI coloring books using some of the best tools to get the best results. Finally, we have several videos about Ben's advertising strategies. So you have ad fundamentals, then you have some of his ad strategies, and then you also have several videos showing you how to set up your ad campaigns. So Ben's self-publishing success strategy course does include absolutely everything you need to build a successful KDP business. And if you're ready to take those next steps and finally have success with Amazon at KDP, I've got a link for the course in the description and a launch price discount. So make sure you grab the discount while it lasts.